Okay, right. So you can see it, right? Okay, so this is analogy for your standard, which your mom sent me the PDFs, right? So it is for second standard. And you are in which board, Himanshu? CBSE or ICSE?
ICSE.
ICSE, right? So for ICSE, second standard it is, okay? So what is analogy, right? It means two different things that have similar features, okay? So that's what it is, right? So two different things that have similar features, right? So what is that other friend which will be coming? Do you know his name?
Who's your friend name? Who?
Himanshu.
Hey, you got friends?
Himanshu
Nishu.
is
Nishu.
Vishu, right? So if we talk about Vishu and Himanshu, and
No, it's Nishu. Nishu.
okay, right, let it be Nishu, okay? So right, so and if I say, suppose Nishu mother's is Nisha, and what is your mother name, Himanshu?
Navata.
Yeah,
Navata.
Navata, okay, right? So Vishu mother is Nisha and Himanshu mother is Navata, right? So this thing is representing some kind of relation, isn't it? A mother's relation to a child, isn't it, Himanshu?
Yes.
Yes. So this is what analogy is. These two things, this thing and this thing, both are talking about what? Mother, right? So your mother is Nisha and as well as Himanshu mother is Navata, right? So these are kind of relations we would be seeing over here, isn't it? So two different things. These are two different things and that have similar feature. Okay, so what, right, that there is some relation would be given to you and you have to find the answer. Okay, so let us see what it is. So suppose here it is written car, right, and here it is written bus. Okay, so we have to find something which is related to boat in this manner only. Okay, so we know that car and bus, they both travel on what ground, isn't it, Himanshu?
Yes.
And boat, where it is? Where does boat travel?
Water.
Water, isn't it? So we have to find something from the options which would be traveling in water. Okay? Yeah, so first option is given train. Does train travel in water?
No.
No. Second one is ship. Right? Okay, let us leave it as it is. Fish. Fishes also travels in water. And port. Port is something which is on the boundary, right? Port is where ship comes, okay, or it is used for, exchanging purposes. It is used for transporting goods and all. The shore side we call it as port, okay. So it is a kind of only in land only, okay. So two things travels in water, fish and ship, right? But we see that ship is used for traveling, isn't it? Can you travel on fish? Can you sit on a fish and ride?
No.
No, right? So that is the reason why ship would be our answer. Okay, Himanshu? Got
Yes.
my point? So how we have to see the relation, isn't it? You getting my point, Himanshu?
Yes.
Yes, right. So have you ever traveled in a ship?
No. But I went through a boat
Oh, you went through a boat. Very nice. Where you went?
in Godavari.
In Godavari. Oh, Godavari is a river. Okay, right, right. So yeah, you went in a boat. Okay, I traveled in a ship. I have one dam nearby, so there I went on a ship. And in my city there is also one river. We call it as Narmada. Okay, so Narmada is a river in my city, right, Himanshu? Okay, so we have many relations over here. We would be seeing all of them, right? Okay, so you see dice, it is given, and then matchbox, it is given. Matchbox is related to cuboid. You have to find the relation of dice, isn't it? So matchbox, have you seen the shape of matchbox? What it is?
Yes. Cuboid.
Cuboid. It is matchbox shape is cuboid, isn't it?
Like a book.
Yeah. See, this is how matchbox looks, isn't it? Right?
Yes.
Yes. So dice is what shape?
Dice is cube.
Cube, right? So this is how a dice look. Do you know the difference between cube and cuboid?
A cuboid is stretched like a cube,
Yes.
and a cuboid is a, um, a little squash,
Hmm.
and it will be like a cube.
Okay. I'll tell you a mathematical relation between both of them, right? They both are made up of straight lines, right? They both have six edges. Is it okay? Edge, you know, this thing we call it as edge. Okay.
Yes.
The only difference is that if somebody asks you, in cube all sides are equal, right? All sides are equal, all edges are equal. You know, this is edge. This thing we call it as edge, right, Himanshu? So these edge all are equal in cube. Okay, right? Six faces they have. Okay, and in cuboid they are different. Okay, isn't it? Getting my
Yes.
point? So this is the main relation. In cube edges are equal, and in cuboid edges are not equal, right? Okay, now tea is related to cup, isn't it? Water is related to what? We store tea in a cup, right? We drink tea in what? Cup. So we drink water in which thing?
Glass.
Exactly, right? So the last would be our answer, right? And here cube would be our answer. Okay, right. Now summer is related to cooler. In what way? Winter is related to what? Right? In summer, we feel lot of what? Warmth, isn't it? So that's why we use cooler. In winter, what it is related? Winter, what do you use? See from the option.
Heater.
Exactly, right? Isn't it? You won't use fan, you won't use coat, you won't use refrigerator. We will use heater. Right, Himanshu? Okay. Pencil box is related to pencil. Keychain is related to what? In pencil box, you keep pencils, isn't it? So what you keep in keychains?
Mm, keys.
Keys, exactly. Very easy. Right, Himanshu? So keys will be our answer. Okay. Yes. Now earthworm crawls. What does crow do? Earthworm. Have you seen earthworm, Himanshu?
That's one.
Plant.
They are in soil, isn't it?
అవి కావాలంటే అవుతుంది ప్రో ఏం చేస్తారు
Fly.
Fly, exactly, right? So this answer would be fly. Right? Okay. Right, so this is what square is and this is cube. Okay, Himanshu. Okay. Now car is related to petrol. What is truck related to? In car we fill petrol. So in truck what?
Diesel.
Diesel, right? Okay. Shuttlecock is in the shape of cone. So what is globe in the shape of?
Spear.
Exactly. Very good, Himanshu. Very good. Train travels on railway track. Where does bus travels?
Road.
Road. Very good, Himanshu. Okay, right. Now we are coming to numbers. Okay, you have done it, many of them. Okay, so after 2, 3 comes, isn't it? 1 is adding to this number every time, right? So after 14, 15 comes, after 21, 22 comes. What comes after 43?
44.
Exactly, right? Now here if you see, after 10 it is given 20, here after 20 it is given 30, here after 70 it is given 80. So here the difference is of what? 10, isn't it? So 60 plus 10 you have to do. What would be coming if I do 60 plus 10?
60 plus 10 more.
10, 70.
Exactly, right? Very good. Okay. 123 it is given as 3 to 1. 236 it is given as 632. What would be 735? Can you find any relation here, Himanshu?
The number those are in the previous ones are in mirror image.
Yeah, mirror image, or they have written it in reverse order, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, 1. This number came here, this number stays here, and this number came here, isn't it? Right, Himanshu?
Yes.
So 735, how you will write? 7
735 537.
537. We have any option here? 537. Yes, you have already done it. Okay. 420. They have given it 320. 560. 460. Now, what relation is here?
It keeps minusing hundreds.
Exactly. They are subtracting 100, right? So 760, when you subtract, what it comes? 660, right?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So 2 they have written it as 4, 10 they have written as 20, 200 they have written as 400. So what will come for 400? What they are doing here, Ivanshu?
They are adding this previous number to the after number.
Okay, very good, right? They are adding the same number again, isn't it? What do we call this thing? Suppose if there is 2, then 2 they are adding 2 times.
Addition.
Yeah. But this thing, what do we call it as? Multiplication also, right? 2 when added 2 times, isn't it, right? 10 when added 2 times, isn't it? So we can write it as 10 into 2, isn't it, Himanshu? 200 when we add it 2 times to itself, we call it as 200 multiplied by 2, isn't it, Himanshu? Right?
Yes.
Yes. So here what they are doing, actually they are multiplying by 2, isn't it? So 400 when you multiply by 2, what you will get?
400 multiplied by 2
2. Yeah.
is 800.
Good, right? So we get 800 as our answer. Okay, find it here. What is happening over here?
Nothing here.
That nothing happened. చెప్పు ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ 710 నుండి 700 ఉంది 810 నుండి 800 ఉంది ఏమవుతుంది
10 is adding 200.
10 is getting subtracted, Himanshu, right? Not added, isn't it?
అంటే
So
ఇక్కడ ఎంత
710, what it is coming?
700.
Yeah, right. See, every time what you have to do is that you have to see this first number, right? Because
Yes.
this number is given here, so what we have to do, if you would have saw this thing that 10 is getting added over here, so that would be a kind of confusion. So whatever number is asked in the question, you have to see that number relation, right? So from this number 10 is subtracting, so we are getting 700. So if this number 10 is getting subtracted, what do we get? 900, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good, very good. Right, now see what is happening.
ఇక్కడ రిలేషన్ చెప్పినాక ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది డోంట్ ప్లే
This one is confusing. Can you find any relation in 7th one?
Yes.
Yeah, what?
The 10th place is the ones place.
Exactly, right? 10th place, that it is written here. Okay, so 839 here we will write 8 only. Very good. Okay, now here
It is keep minusing 1.
exactly, right? Subtracting 1. So 300 subtracted by 1, so you get 299. Good. Okay, now comes the letters, right, Himanshu?
Yes.
Yeah. So what is happening over here?
I won't say the answer. You తెలియకపోతే అడుగు.
A. The letters are just going like normal, like A, B, C, D. But
Skipping one letter, right?
yes,
So A we are jumping to C, B we are jumping to D, right? C we are jumping to E, and E if I skip one letter, well, I will jump G, right? But E is not asked, they have asked D, isn't it? So D if I ask, so I will jump to F. F is my answer, isn't it? Right? Okay, good. Now here they are not skipping the letter, so A directly B, B directly C, C directly D. So D would be directly what?
E.
E, right? Good. Right, now here what they are doing, if I write for this one A,
We are
B,
skipping 2 letters.
exactly. Right, so A, if I skip 2 letters, I will go to D. E, if I skip 2 letters, I will go to H. Right, so P, if I skip 2 letters, 1, 2, so where I will go?
S.
S, isn't it? I will reach S, right? So I will plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Okay, good. Now see the fourth one.
The fourth one is E and
AB and BC, isn't it? BC and CD. CD and DE, and then DE would be what?
EF.
Exactly, very good, right? So DE would be what? EF. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. P, Q, R, S would be what? Right?
TUVW.
Very good. T, U, V, W, right? Okay. Okay. T is related to S, W related to V, so D is related to what? Yeah. Can you do this one? V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, Himanshu, right? So T, they have just gone one backward, isn't it? So if I am on T, the relation is subtracting 1 from T, so I reach to S. If I am on W, so I will subtract 1 from W, I will reach to V. So if I am D, I will subtract 1 from D, where I will reach?
D. D. C.
C, right? So if I am on D, I will reach to C, isn't it? Good. Right. Now A, T, T, E, they have given the relation. So P, R, R, P, V, Y, what would be the, this is very easy, Himanshu. Try to do this one.
It is YV.
Yes, that's it, right? Just reversing it. Okay, good. Now let us come to this one. Okay. Right, so here the numbering is also given, isn't it? Here the relationship is between numbers also. Okay, so write AB. So in letter also 1 increased, then in number also 1 increased, right? CD 3 plus 1 4, EF 5 plus 1 6, and G, what comes after G?
చెప్పు పైన చూడు క్వశ్చన్ చూడు A1 B2 C3 D4 EF C7 what
H8.
H8, that's it, right? 7 also 1 will increase, so H8 will come. Okay, right. Now see, 10, so they are increasing 10. 10 comes 20, and A just becomes 30 plus 10 40, and then CD 50 plus 10 60, then EF. So 70 plus 10, isn't it? What would be 70 plus 10?
70 plus 10. 80.
80, right? And in number also we have to increase 1. So G plus 1, what comes after G?
GH.
H, right? So H80 would be our answer. So here it is. Okay, good. Yeah, do this one. See the relation, what it is? A, so the letter is same. C, the letter is same. D, the letter is same. E, but the number is increasing by 1, isn't it, Himanshu?
Yes. E6.
No, yeah, E6, good. E6, good, very good. Right, now the letter is increasing and the number is also increasing. Okay, so 13 plus 1 14, so 15 plus 1, what we will get, Himanshu? 15 plus 1, what we will get?
15 plus
1.
16.
16, right? And A after B, so C is D comes after C. So after E, what comes, Himanshu? F, isn't it? So F16 would be our answer, right? Yes, good. Now A1B, A2B, right? C3D, so C4D. Both the numbers are remaining same, only the number is increasing by 1. So what would be the answer for this? Just keep the letters as it is and number will be increased by 1. So what would be the answer?
E6F.
Yeah, E6F, right? Good. Okay, these all marks are there. So you have done it all by yourself? These all things?
Yes.
Okay, you have already done it.
నువ్వు చేసావా టీచర్ చేశారా
Okay, so I will tell you, you can do these ones by yourself. These are easy. Yeah.
But F16 is not correct. 16F.
Yeah.
16F.
Yes. What?
So F16 is not in the right
Yeah,
order.
F16 is, yeah, there was no space, so I skipped it. But we know the answer, isn't it?
Yes.
In your book, it would be there. Okay, Mansu.
Yes.
Right. Right. So you have done this one. We will go to new ones. Okay. Yeah. So see this problem: 111, 222, 333, 44. The same numbers. So what comes after 5?
5.
Yeah, very good. So 555 would be the answer, right? Okay. 98, 76, 54, 32. Okay, Himanshu, here we have to see what we have to do, isn't it? So see, Himanshu.
Between 22 numbers.
Yeah, wow, how fast you are.
Minus
Very good,
all
isn't it?
things.
Awesome, awesome. Very good, Himanshu, right? They are subtracting 22, isn't it? Yes? So 32, when you subtract 22, what you will get? Just 10, isn't it? Yes, Himanshu?
Yes.
Right. Now here what they are doing, 12, 23, 34, 45. They are adding 11, isn't it?
Yes.
So if you add 11 and 45, what you get? 45 you have to add 11. What you get, Himanshu?
We get 56.
Right? I told you the matter is 45 plus 10 we get what? 55. Then plus 1 we get 56. Right? Do you remember that method which I told you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So 55, 44, 444, 333, 222. So what we will get? Just
111.
yeah, exactly. Very good. Right? Okay. 98, 87, 76, 65. What is happening over here, Himanshu?
Here the 1-digit number is the 10-digit number in the next one.
No, no, no. Here 9 is getting subtracted. Right, Himanshu?
Yes.
Okay, 9 is getting subtracted. So 98 when you subtract 9 you get 87. 87 when you subtract 9 you get 76. So 65 if you subtract 9, what you get? 65 when you subtract 9, what you get?
57.
57. Right? You know how to subtract 9? Just subtract 10. So 65 plus 10 you just subtract 10 and then add 1. So 65 when you subtract 10 you get 55 and then you add 1. So you get 50. Okay? Right. I have done this thing wrong actually. What happened over here is that 11 is getting subtracted. No, not 9. Okay, Manchu? Sorry. Right? Here 11 is getting subtracted. Okay. So 65 when you subtract 11, what you get, Himanshu? 5 minus 1 you get 4, 6 minus 1 you get 5, right? So 54 you get the answer. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. You can do the subtraction and addition. You don't have any problem in that, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, see what is going on over here.
Yes, 102, 102, 102, 102, 42, 0.
101 is getting added, isn't it, Himanshu?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So 101 is getting added. Okay.
506.
506. Okay. So suppose if the number is big, Himanshu, how we would be coming to know, right? Just subtract the first number from the second number, right? So from that you can come to know, right? So suppose if I want to know what is the difference between both of them, so you get, just subtract this thing. So you get 101, isn't it? So 101 thing, and obviously the numbers are increasing, isn't it? The numbers are increasing order. So 101 is getting added. Right, Himanshu? If the numbers are decreasing, this means that something is getting subtracted, isn't it? Right?
Yes.
Okay, so you tell me first, is the numbers are increasing or decreasing over here in the last one? Decreasing, isn't it? And what is the difference over here?
500.
Yeah, 500 is the answer, 100 is the difference. Okay, good. So you have done this exercise. Right. Write the next two numbers in each series. Okay, so yes, Himanshu. What would be the next two number? 20, 50, then again 20, then again 50, then again 20, then again. So anytime it comes 50,
25.
20, right? Isn't it? And then what would be coming? 50, right?
50.
Yeah. So 20 after 50, 50 after 20. That's how the numbers are going. Okay, right. Now 11, then 121, then 131, 141, 100. What is getting added over here?
They're adding 10.
No, one. Yeah, they are adding 10, right? So what would be coming next?
161.
Right. Then
171.
right.
181.
181. Right. Good. Now here tell me. Okay. First tell me here. Yeah. Tell me now. Here the three numbers are getting repeated every time, right? So 332, 222, and 111. So what would be happening over here?
It's repeating like a pattern.
Pattern. Very good. Very good. They are repeating like a pattern in a three, right? So 332, 222, and then 111.
111.
Yeah. So then again 333, and then good. Very good. Right. Now let's go talk. Let's go for this one. What would be happening over here?
They're adding 10 to it.
Adding or subtracting?
Subtract.
Right. See, if the numbers are decreasing, then obviously the subtraction is going on, right? So they are subtracting 10. So after 820, what it will come? 810, right? Isn't it, Himanshu?
Yes.
And after 790, what it will come?
780.
780, right? Okay, good. Now see over here.
They're adding hundreds.
Very good. They are adding 100, right? So here when it is 100. So what will happen if I add? What will happen? What will come after 301?
401.
401, right? What will come after 501?
601.
Right. What will come after 701?
800.
801. Okay, good. Right. Now what is happening over here?
They are adding 10.
They are adding 10. Okay, good. So 10 or 110?
110.
Yeah. So what will come after 220?
330.
330, right? Okay. Now 440, if I add 110, what I will get?
550.
Wow, very good, Himanshu. 660, if I add 110, what I will get?
770.
770. Good, Himanshu. Okay. Now here what it is happening?
They're adding 2.
They are adding 2's. Very good. Right? So what will happen if I add 58 and 2? Yes. If I add 62 and 2?
64.
Yeah. 66 and 2?
68.
Good. Very good. Okay. Right. Now here tell me what is happening.
They're adding 11.
Yes. Right. So 53, if I add, what I will get? 53, if I add 11,
4.
right? 3 plus 1, 4, 5 plus 6, 4, right? 64. Okay. Now 86, if I add 11, what I will get?
97.
97. I told you how to do this thing, right? This thing you remember, no?
Yes.
Yeah, adding in tens and ones, I already told you, right? 50 plus 10 we get 60, then 63, then 64, isn't it? If you remember this method, right, Himanshu? You have to go like a counting ways. So this is how you can do in mind. Okay, so yes, now let us come to this letter series. So P, Q, R, just one number is increased. P, Q, R, S, then what will come? T, that's it. Okay. A. Now the differences of B. So A, B, C.
They're skipping one letter.
Skipping one letter. So G, if you skip one letter, what you will get? H, I. Good. Now these are in backward, right? So Z, Y, X, W. then what will come overhead? V, isn't it? Yes. -1 I write. Okay, AZ BY. Okay, right? Now see here the difference is of alternate, right? So A, B coming, okay? And then here what will come? That comes after B, right? And Z -1, okay? So B, after B what comes? B. After B what comes? Because there the relation is in the alternate ones, not the direct afterward ones. So after B what comes? A, B, then what comes, Himanshu? C. Yeah. Yeah, so C would be the answer. This one I will mark it as star. You see it later, right? Here the relationship is between the alternate ones. Okay, not these ones, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So this one you have to remember. Okay. Now B you skip 2 letters, isn't it? So you get CD, and E you skip 2 letters, right? So you get FG, then GH. H you skip 2 letters, so IJ, then K, then L, M, and then N would come over here, isn't it? 2 letters you have to skip, right, Himanshu? Okay, getting my point?
Yes.
Yeah. So I will write it over here. 2 letters we have to skip. Okay. Now, yeah, see this one, sixth one. Sixth, seventh, eighth, you have to do it by yourself. Do it.
IJ.
IJ, right? Very good. A, B, C, D. Okay. Seventh one.
EF.
E, F, right? Good. Okay. Eighth one.
EG.
E, F, G, right? So E, G. Very good, Himanshu. This eighth one you did it really very well. Very good. Okay. Nice. Now let us come to this one. Yeah, this is the sheet. Okay. So if you can see AACCEE, right? So skip one letter and then write to the other one. No. One letter you have to skip. So B is skipped. So we come C, then C, D is skipped, then F is skipped, then GG will come. Okay. Right, Himanshu? Got it? Hello. Yeah, then LM. So this is nothing. LM is getting repeated, right? Look for the third one. Here the pattern is of 3, isn't it? PQR, then PQR, then what will come again? PQR, that's it. Okay. CB, AC, BA, right?
CBA.
Yes, the pattern is of again 3. CBA, then CBA. Good. Now this is same. So A, BB, very good. TE, FF, GG. Right? AB, CD, EF, GH, IJ, KL, ML. A B C D E F G H I, isn't it? J K L M N O
Yes.
P Q R S T U V W X. Okay, right. A B B C. Then what will come? A B B C. Then what will come? C D, isn't it?
D.
D E E F. Then F G. Right? G H. Then H I. Right, Himanshu?
Yes.
Okay, good. Right. Now, if we see this one, what is happening? They are increasing the number as well as they are increasing the letter also. So A, B, C, D, and then what will come here? E, isn't it? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, then what will come? 5. E5. You're getting my point? How it is done, Himanshu? This one?
Yes.
Do the other one, second one, by yourself.
Four, five, E.
Yeah, very good, right? So number is getting increase and the letters are also getting increased. A, B, C, D, E, and then 41, 42, 43, 45. Okay, good. Now do this one by yourself.
V5.
Yeah, right. So numbers are getting increased and letters are getting decreased. So V, W, before that V comes and then 6, 5. Okay, do this one.
Next one, Himanshu.
E55.
Very good, right? E, 5, 5. Good. Now the other one, fifth one. The gap is of 1 now. The gap is of 1, isn't it? One letter you have to skip. Right? Okay.
9,
Yes. Good. Very good. Right? H you will skip, so I will come. And 9 I. Okay. Now one letter is increasing and the gap is of 11.
77.
T. Right? T Q R S T. Yes, Himanshu? Okay, good. Now
Next one, Himanshu. P0.
seventh one. We are there on 7th.
F.
50F, right? Just B, C, D, E, and I will get F, and then 40 I will get 50. Good. Okay, now the number gap is of 2, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Right. And the letters don't have any gap. So A, B, C, D, then what will come, Himanshu? What comes after D?
Then E.
Then E. Very good, very good. Well done. Okay. Right, the last slide is remaining over here. Okay. So tell me the first one if you can do it, or I will tell you.
No.
One number is increasing and one letter is also increasing, right? So L, M, N, O, P, Q. What comes after Q?
R7.
R7, good. Then S, what? 8. Isn't it, Himanshu?
Yes.
Okay. Now see this one, this pattern.
अच्छा, एकदम हिमांशु.
Y1 Z2.
Exactly, y1 z2. Good. Now see this pattern.
C13.
Good.
A11.
Yes,
B12.
that's it. Good. Right. Then O P Q. Right? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Then what will come up? 600, 700, then 800. Isn't it, Himanshu? Good. Well done. Okay. Now, 222B. Okay. So do these one also.
అయిపోయింది లాస్ట్.
Fifth one. Just 5 remaining, Himanshu.
4DDD.
Yeah, good. 4DDD. Okay, good. Then
8HHH.
yes, 8HHH. Good. Right. Then 6th one. Just 4 remaining. Number is increasing and the letters are also increasing. Just one after the other.
600F.
Yes, good. Then
800F.
H, right? After G, H comes. Good. Then
EF5.
yes, very good, right? The differences of two numbers, right?
Yes.
Okay, then
KL10.
KL11, right? The differences of two numbers, right? And then 13, what comes after 13? So 15 and then MNOP. Right, Himanshu?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Tell me just only the difference over here. 120, what I will get if I add, what I will add so that I get 230?
Just adding 110.
Yes, just good in numbers, right? And then right. Okay, so you can do this one A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P, right? The differences of two. 5, 7, 8, 9, 15, and then B C D.
DEF 450.
DEF 450, very good, right? DEF 450, good. Then 780, then 890 FGH, right? So